having some church up in here. Come on, check.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray.
Good morning, guys. So it is Tuesday. I should have started this vlog like from yesterday, but I never remember. I mean, I'll go collect package and tell me why I forgot to make a vlog like pretty much every day. Anyways, I'm actually running late for work today. It is currently 8:52 and I'm running late for work because get up this morning and see water. I only have one class today and it's 11:45, and if you know water in these areas, they are literally it not stay. So when I see water, I have to take it. Wait, oh, why you frighten me? So I decided to, wait a little bit and wash out some clothes. Well, wash out some sheets. A sheet and curtain me have to wash. Because if you realize me still have my sheet and curtain, I don't know it bad. Anyways, so finally wash off my sheet them. I never take down these. So hoping I like this evening I come on and see water again. Because that's the next set of washing. But yeah, I'm ready for work. OOTD. Outfit of the day. Don't mind these beds, as me say. Just wash the sheets. But yeah, OOTD. Hey guys, what's up? So it is Thursday evening. Basically, when term starts, so I'm heading home. But I'm gonna stop by the grocery store to get some groceries, so I'm taking you guys along. Hopefully remember for vlog and reaching there.
Another breath and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. Oh, I still believe, cause I know
Hi, can I have 2 boxes of swizzle and a bag of blue bag chili sticks, please? $2. Sorry, all of this. Hmm? Oh yeah, this one.
You have ice cream, good gallon.
With another chance, I am blessed with another chance. I'm blessed with another chance. Blessed with another chance. I
Hey guys, it's Friday, so I'm back home and literally I am gonna pack out some groceries because I did have stuff at the supermarket. Me never filmed that because I went the day before to get some other things, so I didn't want to actually like repeat things, even though different things I buy. But let me show you guys what I got, or some of the things let me get. Alright, so what I'm gonna pack up now is showing you. So I got some milk because my mom and my sister can't drink milk, so I buy milk for them. And I got cheese because she's here. We're packing at the same time, people. Cereal, basically fruit rings cereal. Yeah, this is like $500. Like, y'all be there. Buy some crackers, Milo. I buy chiffon because a long time I'm out of butter. Bought some cashews, some peanuts, and I also bought one of these today. I couldn't find like the jar coffee, so I know them out of coffee, so I bought 3 packets for them. I buy matches, and I can't drink this. I'm not supposed to drink milk, so I buy this. I bought one the other day, guys, one vanilla flavored one of these, and it was, but this supermarket to come buy this, it did not have any, so I had to stick with this one. But it's the original. So that's pretty much, no. I got myself a Pepsi because a long time I drink Pepsi. And I think I buy one of these too. But I replace the empty box. So I bought one of these. So yeah, that's what I bought. Right now, I feel like I'm going to pack with the rest of these things. And then I'm going to make myself some of this. Some of this. Just some of these. Pack away these things.